American dream. Take
Just enjoy the music and have your meal right now. Slice some bell peppers. I don't know how to do it Julian style like we do on food TV. One day I'll learn how to do it. But right now I just slice mine up the way all right, and they work out perfect.
No, it's supposed to be white. They won't be brown.
Great job. I think I'm doing a marvelous job here. So, I know you guys saying I'm not a professional cook, but I'm a home cook. I cook from the heart. I cook for my family and I cook well. Don't have to be a TV star to cook great and share my kitchen studio with others. So this is what we do. We love to cook and we love to eat. May not be in a fancy style, but it's gonna be good. I promise you. I wish you were here to join me because it's gonna be delicious. It will be delicious. I think earlier I called this a grilled chicken salad, but it's actually a star grilled pepper jack chicken salad. Because we'll be using pepper jack cheese to top it, to put on the topping. Okay, the eggs are boiling. I will give you the recipe also on this movie. I'm a little late than I wanted to be tonight because I couldn't figure out how to really put it live on YouTube yet, but I'm going to learn it. So it will be pre-recorded. Because I actually started close to 9, so my food will be ready at close to 9. Even though it's too late for us to really be cooking, but I decided to cook late tonight. We'll be okay. They're not in school, and plus they've been fed already. Yep. They know they're going to get fed tonight. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm going to go ahead and slice my bell peppers. Bell peppers in the salad.
You want that song on?
Put on whatever song you want today.
You want that song on?
Which one, Kim?
You want me to turn off the song.
I'll listen to my music. You can go watch TV in the bedroom. In our room.
He wants somebody in there with him.
Huh? Chips? What they got to do with TV and music?
He wanted.
What they got to do with TV and music, baby?
Maya, it can stay white. But it's gonna be white, but it's gonna be cooked. See?
They're like that in the kitchen, right? Kitchen doesn't go the sky and rainbow.
Say I'm rainbow. Say I'm sky.
You know her name, Rainbow, right now.
I'm sky. She's rainbow.
Want nothing at all. It ain't you, baby. I put a little thing in the kitchen. I'm starting to see. People want diamond rings. Some just want everything. Everything is nothing. I ain't got you. Don't worry about the all the butter, because this is Smart Balance. It reduces your calorie and your cholesterol level. So don't worry about me because she's picking butter. How she's gonna lose weight picking all that butter? Well, use this kind and you won't have to worry about the butter. I love y'all. Okay, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna melt this butter.
She put garlic powder, McCormick seasoning salt.
Look at the chicken. Look at that chicken.
All-purpose Greek seasoning, lemon pepper, salt, Jesse's lemon seasoning, and parsley flakes and pepper. Here's Sky, she's still doing the meat. I mean rainbow. Sky.
Okay, go. Okay, right now I almost finished with our meal. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it off right now, and we're gonna come and show you the finished product. Just hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, now we are completing the salad. So far, what I've put in the salad is my almonds, essence, original oven roasted. And I'll give you the calorie amount after the movie. After you see this video, it'll be included in this video towards the end of it. And right here, of course, it's the finished grilled chicken. Look good, it is delicious. I just have to share some with you. Oh, that's good. That is so good. You should taste it. It's delicious. Okay, anyway. Now what we're going to put on top of it, or you can also put some more on top of yours as well, but I want to go ahead and mix this right on top of it. And what it's called is salad pizzazz, cherry cranberry picano. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is place our chicken on top of it, around it. And this is just for appearance right now. Each of us gonna have chunks of that chicken. Chunks of it. And this is the croutons, the restaurant style croutons from Mrs. Cabazon. And we'll be eating club crackers with it. Club crackers. Club crackers. I'm going to put a little bit more of this meat on it for you. Don't it? It looks delicious. It looks delicious. Okay, and then we're going to top it off with McCormick. This is my favorite seasoning company, McCormick salad toppings. You just want to sprinkle this over it. And we also have some feta cheese from Treasure Cafe. This is delicious once you top the salad off. And this, do you want to do that, baby?
Good.
Okay, and this is the salad, people, that we prepared. You can eat the taste is good, and you don't have to use a lot of calories for this.